The data at AACR will describe the findings from the circulating tumor DNA that was detected in patients treated in the FLAURA2 clinical trial, both the impact of what it means to have it at baseline and also what changes in circulating tumor DNA over the course of treatment. And the first analysis is really looking at it. What does it mean as a prognostic indicator if you have it at baseline? And so independent of which treatment you got, having circulating tumor DNA at baseline is associated with a slightly worse prognosis compared to if you do not have circulating tumor DNA detected at baseline. Now, if we look at it within the treatment arms, patients who had detectable circulating tumor DNA, those who were treated with a combination osimertinib and chemotherapy, had a better outcome than those who were treated with osimertinib alone. In patients who did not have detectable circulating DNA at baseline, patients did well with both the single agent osimertinib as well as the osimertinib chemotherapy treatment, suggesting that its biomarker is more of a prognostic biomarker than actually predicting which therapy one should be treated with. Now, the final piece was looking at if you had circulating tumor DNA at baseline and 3 or 6 weeks into treatment that disappeared, what did that mean? And overall, that was a good prognostic sign. So I think these studies highlight the utility of circulating tumor DNA in terms of providing prognostic information for patients and to understand if you don't clear your circulating tumor DNA by a predefined time point, 3 or 6 weeks, should that prompt a change in therapy? And there are clinical trials that are asking that question. So I think it still remains a clinical trial question and a research question as opposed to established clinical test. And so hopefully over the next several years, we'll see results from the approaches that, like I mentioned, and other studies to fully define how we study the dynamics of circulating DNA during the course of the treatment, or where there are opportunities to adapt treatments moving forward.